We're back with the Celica, and today we're replacing the headlights. These ones are old, faded yellow, and the actual globes in them are failing, so I can't actually see at night, which is pretty scary. All of our old cars have old stuff, or at a certain point in time with enough sun, the headlights start to go yellow, and it looks disgusting and old. Over time, companies have made different types of headlights for the Celicas and for plenty of every other car, really. So these ones we got cheap years ago on Marketplace, but never got to fitting them. Now we're about to. Now, compared to the factory ones, you can see here we have halo rings, LED lights up here, the indicator goes up there, and we've got our high beam and our low beam. You can see straight away that they are very different, and they should make the car look a lot nicer once we are done. Okay, what do we have to take off here? 10 mils and a screwdriver. There it is. We'll get the covers out of the engine bay so that we can get to the back of the lights, take out the globes, and we'll be able to remove the headlights once they're unbolted. One down, one to go. Let's get these headlights off the floor as well. So there are actually 3 bolts from memory, one at the top, one at the front bumper, and one in between the bumper and the guard. Now I've taken that off in the past, so that doesn't exist here in this video, but don't go trying to refit out if you're going to do it yourself. There is one more bolt. In this case, it's just 2. Never force it if it fights. A little bit of a jiggle here, a little bit of a jiggle there. When in doubt, jiggle it out. I can go. And now, easy, it's out. Okay, one down, one to go. There's not much of a cover on this side. What is here is the fuse box, and I had to remove the fuse box lid to be able to get to the plugs in the lights and remove it more comfortably. And 2. That's them done. So these are the old LEDs that were in there, and I don't know if that shows damage, but they're not projecting light at all. That's a funny way of trying to waterproof, but undo them. Red's positive, black's negative. Anyway, onto these new ones. Come back to the car and we'll fit it exactly as the old one came out, if we can. Yep, that goes in there. This will sit lower. We've just pulled it out of its housing, so that'll actually lock in there. We need to just get all the old globes out of this to use them. So this would have been, what's this? This is our park light. Rotate, it comes out. That's going to be used. It's not going to be used because we've got LED park lights now. Okay, it's not going to be used. In there, rotate. Where is our indicator? It's our indicator light. That's going to go here, there. That is this one, I believe. No, because it would have been for the other car, so the other light. So this light goes here. So indicator plugged on, headlights in. It already has a high beam here that will direct plug into the high beam here. Not that way, but that way. So we've got high beam, headlight, indicator, and then we have our park lights. Alright, time for the headlight to go in. Okay, look at that. We're getting so much nicer already. Now, same process for the other side. And there you have it. So as simple as that, we now have new headlights on the Celica and we can see at night. So unbolt and unplug the other ones, transfer over the headlight globes that are necessary, and then just plug it back into the new headlights in their place. Anyway, later.